Here's Emma. Hey Emma, are you being cute? She's just helped me measure the wood in the extra room. You're being adorable. Oh, Smudgy, that's not nice. Hey. Yeah, Smudgy is being a bit grumpy. Smudgy is grumpy in the mornings. Emma's not. Emma's adorable. Well, Smudgy's going off to be grumpy somewhere else. Hey Emma, are you eating the weeds? Good job. You're so cute. That was a little yawn squeak. Hey Emma, are you going outside? Are you going outside, Woofy? Hi, is there a cat blocking your way? I think Emma is a little bit cat-like, but, you know, respects cats, but she's got a cat temperament. She's very quiet and peaceful, and sometimes I don't even know she's here. It's very, very cute. Ah, good little Woofies. She's so peaceful. Not like you, Smudgy, huh? You're not peaceful. Always meowing. Who's a big mau mau? Bless you. Hello. Hi. Hello. Do I smell like Woofies? Yeah. Are you purring? Okay, bye cat. Oh, Emmeline, are you being adorable? Are you being adorable? Yes, of course you are. Of course you are. Hello. Oh, big belly. So this is where she's had her operation. It's looking really good. It's been, I don't know, 10 days now? Roundabout, I can't remember, but she's never had any complaints. She was up and about even less than 24 hours after. You know, just acting normal, I mean. Obviously, she was awake before that. Oh. So, this is what Saturday looks like. So cute. Yep, this is what they'll be doing today. I'm at 21 grams and look at this, I got a tall coffee. This is a tall coffee. This is my first tall coffee I've ordered in Bulgaria and not received something like this. I have a tall coffee. No milk, no sugar, just a tall coffee. I am blown away. I'm absolutely blown away, as you can tell, because in Bulgaria, when you order coffee, you get this. There's no choice. And I managed to get this. Wow. I bought a watermelon. This was 6 levs, which is 3 euros. I don't know the weight, I didn't pay attention. And here are a couple of cherries. They're just going out of season, so I was lucky to get them. It was the last stand. This is the Hottentot fig plant. And otherwise, let's see, I got nectarines and apricots. And what is this? Some bell peppers and zucchinis, and this is like goat's cheese. This time I got it for 6 levs. Back there is the honey melon that I got, and oh, I got some shoes. So I got some new flip-flops. They're pink again. I guess I just like pink. And behind the shoes, this is the buffalo milk or yogurt, buffalo yogurt, which is pretty great. Yeah, so that's all I got today. It cost about 35 levs or something like that, which is like 15, 20 euros. Pretty good. Having the window changed. So these are the side panels, like here, and they're coming off here because there's a little crack over here. And this is the new one that's going in here, replacing the broken one. So it's easy. You just need a rubber hammer and a spatula. Look at that.
Hi.
Hello. Magic. And here comes
This is
the new
magic.
magic. New one. And it just slots in, so easy.
So easy, yes. Dobrina, що в стране летом.
This rubber hammer seems very useful. Okay, so here's the old one. Et voila, the crack. And the new one. Just needs a little bit of a wash and it looks super dupers. No crack. Okay, so this window has always had a bit of a condensation issue. It's kind of hard to see in the video, especially with the netting behind it. But basically there's condensation in between the two panes. There you can see it a little bit. It looks worse in real life. So he is going to take a picture with his phone and he is going to get it replaced. He says he will send it for rework. There's a lot of water running down the side here and you cannot see it in the video. At least I can't see it right now. Hello. Hi. New windows? Yeah. This is what it looks like most evenings. Hey Emma. Yeah. I'm barely by the door. Smudgy. Supervising the table. So cute. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. The button should be there, somewhere over here.